Students, today we will see the second exercise in our third lesson. Okay, so see the title. Donne la cause, the situations reforms, give the reasons for the following situations. So, you must used here pluscuperfect. Pluscuperfect rules we already seen there. Okay, so we have to use that situations according to the situations. We have to use pluscuperfect. So how we can use here, see some example. See here, Lalita avait mal au ventre. Bracket is given through manger. So the translation of this, Lalita had stomach pain within bracket, eat too much through manger. So you must, so in bracket reason is there, you have to take the reason and here insult in pluscuperfect. So she eaten too much is given in the bracket. So we have to put the verb, this verb in pluscuperfect. Translations will have had. Pluscuperfect means had. Okay. So how we can change? We will see. First sentence write as it is. First one, Lalita ave mal and vandre. Everything you write as it is. As they given, you can have to write as it is. You must copy it also. Afterwards, because you must give the reason. Paske, because you must give the reason why she have a stomach pain. You must give the reason because she al. So eaten Lalita. Instead of Lalita, you can use pronoun also. Mention Lalita is the name, but instead of Lalita, pronoun of Lalita is al. E-L-L-E. Same Lalita, no need to write. Okay, so you must see here, instead of writing, repeating, you can write al. Avoid again repeat the same noun. Okay, replacing the subject noun by this pronoun that you know very well. Normal, Nanita had stomach pain because she had eaten too much. See, verb manger is the verb conjugated in pluscuperfect. Imperfect of our verb, we are using past participle of manger. Okay. So first we know how we have to use our verb and ather verb. According to that we must use here. According to the subject. And pronoun you remember to change. Okay. Then only it is clear for you. Instead of repeating pronoun now you must use pronoun. Then you can use the verb as change it into pluscuperfect using our or ather. So now you know to very well the example. Now we can move for the sentence. On Alpha Plure, a child was crying. So Plure is crying. You must know the reason why she is crying. So the word is given there in the bracket. Pra sa shan. To lose his dog. A child was crying because he had lost his dog. Infinitive form of the verb is given. You must concentrate in that. You must conjugate this word in pluscuperfect. So as it is, what is given in the example, the same way you write the sentence first one as it is. Then you have to use past. For plural, past el sia. Sia also you can write as it is, but you must concentrate in infinitive verb. First one you can write for plural you can write as it is. Expressions is Pascal because and pronoun is al. Subject of Lalita is al, but here is subject is un enfant. Masculine is clearly is visible because a is used, so you can use a pronoun il. Remember that also. Prant you have to conjugate in pluscuperfect is not in the list, so you can use the avoir. So conjugation of avoir for il is imperfect avoir, avait, away. Past participle of pratre. General rule of er. Re you can cut and put u at the end. Okay, and enfant pleurait parce qu'il avait perdu son chien. A child was crying because he had lost his dog. He had lost. Okay, so you keep in your mind. Pritham a received in contravention. Pritham has received the fine. Why? Conduit to be to drive the car too fast. See the same thing or first part as it is you can write. Pritham I receive in controversial, write as it is. Then pasque for expressions because and see the subject noun of pronoun of the noun is Pritham is the third person singular masculine is il. Conjugate of conduire in pluscup perfect is not in the domestic list. You can use imperfect of avoir. IL, imperfect of avoir is AVAIL. AIT. Conduire, you can use irregular verb, it is conduire. So you can keep in your mind CONDUIT. Okay. See here the translation. Pritham received the controversial pasca because received the fine because he had driven the car too fast or he drove his car too fast. Mes petits frères ont eu mal aux dents, mangé bonde. My little brother had too cake to eat too much of sweet. They had eat too much of sweets. See the conditions. First thing you can write as it is. See, just to remember, first one no need to write and check the pronoun noun. Then only you can present the pronoun. Afterwards, end of the sentence you can use pasque. See the example model, we have to use pasque and equivalent subject pronoun of the noun. For my little brothers. So it is a third person masculine plural. So we have to use ILS. Okay. Manger you can conjugate it in pluscup perfect. Imperfect of avoir as mare also is not found in the list. So you can use imperfect conjugation of avoir is plural form AVAIENT. And for manger, so normally for ER, cut ER and E acute. Get the sentence. My little brothers had to eat for peel's kill. For they eat too much of sweet. They had eat too much of sweet. Fourth sentence. Rahu et Ramesh étaient tristes. Recevoir de mauvais notes. Raghu and Ramesh were sad to receive bad marks. So here two persons. Why they are sad you must say here. So first part you write as it is. Raghu and Ramesh étaient tristes. Pasca because expressions and see here two persons are there, so you have to use the equivalent pronoun. So Alice is the pronoun because two persons are there, third person plural, so you have to use ILS. And reservoir you have to conjugate it in pluscup perfect and imperfect of avoir because receiver is not in the list. So plural form of imperfect of avoir is AVAIENT. And reservoir you must concentrate because it is irregular. So you can write like this RECZU. So see here translation. Raghu and Ramesh were sad because they had got some bad marks. Last sentence in this. Tilak every mage warrior. Their luck had eye pain while utilize ordinate to tom. So they're using a computer for long time. So he is having some eye pain because So here it is a pronoun. Noun is a singular masculine. So equivalent of pronoun is il. Conjugated utiliser in pluscular perfect is not in the domestic list. So you must use imperfect of our. According to the subject, il is avait. Imperfect of our il. And utiliser you can write in past participle. General rule cut er and e acute. Finally, you will get the Tilak had high pain because he had used a computer for a long time. So this is the things. See the example. In example model only you have to present the answer. So for your exam also example will be given. According to the example only you have to use the other sentence to give the answer. Okay, try to understand. Otherwise ask me. Thank you.